Goals, medallions, and badges include assessments at each level so that you can target your learning path to just the content you need to know to quickly achieve your goals. Under What's Next, you will see the next 5 lessons we recommend you view to achieve the next badge. You can either click a lesson and watch it, or if you think you already know the content, click Assess My Progress in the drop-down below the lesson and take the badge assessment instead. If you complete the assessment correctly, that lesson is removed from your learning path. You can also take badge assessments in your roles and goals. As you move through the assessment, you will see options to go to the next question, return to the previous question, or if you want to complete it later, save your current progress. When the assessment is complete, you will automatically be presented with the results, including the number and percentage of questions you answered correctly. Scroll down, and you will see a full list of the questions and your answers. Questions that were not answered correctly include suggested lessons. At the bottom of the page, you can opt to create a playlist from the suggested lessons. Give the playlist a name, and then click Create. The new playlist is automatically created and added to your playlist flyout. Once you have viewed the lessons in your custom playlist, from the playlist flyout, you can take an assessment based upon these lessons to ensure that you have filled your knowledge gaps. Think you have already mastered a medallion? Under your roles and goals, click the name of the medallion, and the medallion page will open. From here, you can take an assessment on the full medallion. Likewise, if you want to prove that you have achieved your goal, you can click the name of the goal and then click Assess Goal Progress to take the goal assessment. In addition, each CADLearning product library includes stock overall knowledge and skills assessments. Users can also take custom assessments created by org admins. Expand the CADLearning content library and choose a product. Choose the stock assessment you wish to take, and then click Start Assessment. If you select a skills assessment, make sure you download the exercise files first from the Resources tab under the Exercise File Download Assessment dropdown.